is Shane Gentry, and this is Shuggy. Welcome to the first episode of Punch My Liver by the Dive Bar Tourist. Today we're going to bring you a drink that was sent to us by the Granite Run Taproom in Port Deposit, Maryland. They've got awesome food that's locally sourced from local farmers, and they've got a signature 2-pound pretzel. So let's get down to the drink. This shot is called the Peach Cobbler. We're gonna start with some Western Sun Peach Vodka. I'm actually gonna double this recipe because me and Shuggy got a drink, because we get to test the drinks. So this calls for 3/4 of an ounce for one drink, so we're gonna go 1.5 ounces Peach Vodka. Now, 1/2 ounce of Rum Chata. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Anything with this in it, you can bet your behind's gonna be good.
Especially with some coffee.
Oh yeah. The next one, 1/4 ounce of whipped cream vodka, just like so. And a little shot of Fireball. We're just gonna give it a little
chill there.
Just a touch. Let's put some ice on that. Shuggy gonna shake it, and we're gonna drink it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. There you go. And that is a Peach Cobbler from the Granite Run Taproom.
That is pretty damn good.
For more dive bar fun, go to divebartourist.com.